If I dash more careful, I wouldn't have lost my wallet. Option B, had been, if I had been more careful, I wouldn't have lost my wallet. She would travel the world if she dash enough money saved. Option A, had, she would travel the world if she had enough money saved. If you had studied medicine, you dash a doctor now. Option D, would be, if you had studied medicine, you would be a doctor now. If they dash harder, they would have better jobs today. Option C, had worked, if they had worked harder, they would have better jobs today. I wouldn't be tired now if I dashed to bed earlier last night. Option B, had gone, I wouldn't be tired now if I had gone to bed earlier last night. If we had left earlier, we dash in traffic now. Option A, wouldn't be stuck, if we had left earlier, we wouldn't be stuck in traffic now. If he dash more responsible, he would have been promoted. Option C, had been, if he had been more responsible, he would have been promoted. If I had woken up earlier, I dash late for work now. Option A, wouldn't be, if I had woken up earlier, I wouldn't be late for work now. She would have met US if she dashed the correct address. Option D, had known, she would have met US if she had known the correct address. If you dash more polite, you would have more friends now. Option C, were, if you were more polite, you would have more friends now. If we dash the train, we wouldn't be stuck here now. Option A, had caught, if we had caught the train, we wouldn't be stuck here now. If I dash fluent in Spanish, I would have helped you yesterday. Option C, were, if I were fluent in Spanish, I would have helped you yesterday. If they had paid attention, they dash the warning signs. Option B, would have seen, if they had paid attention, they would have seen the warning signs. If you dash more organized, you wouldn't have missed the meeting. Option D, had been, if you had been more organized, you wouldn't have missed the meeting. If I dash more patient, I would have handled the situation better. Option C, had been, if I had been more patient, I would have handled the situation better. If he had remembered her birthday, she dash angry now. Option A, wouldn't be, if he had remembered her birthday, she wouldn't be angry now. If we dash a little more careful, we wouldn't have lost the document. Option D, had been, if we had been a little more careful, we wouldn't have lost the document. If you dash attention in class, you wouldn't be struggling with the homework now. Option A, had paid, if you had paid attention in class, you wouldn't be struggling with the homework now. If I dash a better memory, I wouldn't have forgotten your number. Option B, had, if I had a better memory, I wouldn't have forgotten your number. If they had listened to instructions, they dash confused now. Option A, wouldn't be, if they had listened to instructions, they wouldn't be confused now.